do want to touch on the Epstein files. Would you have any policy affecting the release, anything surrounding it?
I would. There's a lot of talk about the island. The island, Epstein's Island, Little St. James, it's in the U.S. Virgin Islands in the Caribbean. There's an island that doesn't get talked about enough, even though it was actually where Epstein did in fact live most of the time, did in fact commit most of his crimes with his co-conspirators, and that island is in Florida. That island is in Palm Beach County. That island is the town of Palm Beach, the richest town in my state. What's interesting about Florida is we don't have to change a single law to bring these people to justice. Capital sexual battery against a minor does not have a statute of limitation. That means just like murder, whether it happened 10, 15, 20, 30 years ago is irrelevant. You can bring a case anytime. And so one of those promises is to appoint a special prosecutor to reopen the Epstein investigation. We know a lot more today than we did 10, 15 years ago with the release of the files. That is where I would start, but certainly not where I would end, and just bring people in for questioning. Throw the book at them. Bring people to justice. I get flack, not from voters, but I get flack from CNN and even Fox News for saying this, but capital sexual battery, Jack, in Florida carries the death sentence. I believe that isn't just a thing that you throw around. It's absolutely necessary in this case, not just to bring these depraved people to justice, but to send a very loud and clear message to anyone that we will not tolerate these types of heinous crimes against young women in our society. As governor, my name, my signature is the last thing between someone on death row and someone being executed.